Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Vegan. It's a pleasure to have you all with us, and most importantly, what a pleasure it is today to have a young entrepreneur here with us on Cook Vegan Live called, sorry, I'm like, blah, 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 a long day. And this is Malvina Nicolaou from Nicosia. So she's based here in Cyprus. Hi Malvina Mo. And she is the brains and the beauty behind Rescue Box, which is a lovely initiative all about saving vegetables almost one by one to anyone out there who wants to buy weekly boxes or even a one-off with lots of different vegetables that would otherwise be thrown and not utilized. So I'm going to let her explain it more in more detail and tell us a little bit about how she came up with this idea, why she did it, and what her ultimate goals are. Malvina Mo, thank you so much for joining us here on Cook Vegan.
Thank you so much for inviting me, and it's been a pleasure talking to you over the past few weeks and getting to know you and what you do as well. So thanks for inviting me to this group and having this interview with you. So Rescue Box, yeah. So this is something that I started thinking and processing and putting it together back in January. So it all happened very quickly.
So it's all been this year, all been 2020.
2020,
amazing.
Surprisingly enough, yeah.
And if there was ever a year to do it, oh my goodness, has this been the year when people have been home, wanting to go more plant-based, looking at ways of being more sustainable and eco-friendly. Exactly. It was all meant to be.
It was all meant to be, and I'm a very firm believer of everything that happens for a reason. So I'm really glad that we finally launched it 2 months ago. And you're absolutely right. We are trying to rescue as many vegetables and fruits that are so fresh, but just because of their aesthetics, or they're a little bit off shape or a little bit of size, they've got skin marks, or they're just simply too many. They just get thrown away to landfills, which is such a big shame, because we just contribute to the whole food waste.
Well, it's because it's not that a lot of people think, oh, well, it's a vegetable, it's going to biodegrade, but it's not that. It's the water and the energy, not just manpower, but the earth and the fertilizers and the water that went into growing them that's then just wasted.
Precisely that. And a lot of people actually forget the effort behind growing these fruits and vegetables, or these farmers and producers. They spend most of their time in the fields growing these fresh fruits and vegetables for us to just throw them away just because of how they look. And this is kind of what we want to do, and this is how we want to spread our message about food waste in general in Cyprus, and produce waste in particular. And one of our biggest goals is by the end of 2021 to manage and rescue 500 tons. We're getting there, one rescue box at a time.
So how has it been received? How many orders do you have now? I mean, without going into your stats exactly, but
yeah.
But are you in the hundreds now? Are you delivering hundreds every week?
Definitely in the hundreds, towards the mid hundreds, and growing every week.
Amazing.
So I'm really glad people in Cyprus have embraced this concept so well, and you're always very skeptical about these things, because coming from having lived in London for so many years, I see things, how they progress in terms of like sustainability and all this thing. So with having so many ideas to bring to Cyprus, I always felt a bit like, oh, is this the right time? Will people understand this concept? And to my surprise, and thank you so much to everyone who subscribed on our on Rescue Box, and thank you so much for everyone who's interested, even just doing their bit at home without Rescue Box, but one bit at a time, and we're definitely getting towards the right path, which I'm really grateful for it.
It's amazing. And so tell us, you got the idea from London.
So this concept exists abroad, so it's not something brand new. It's something that during quarantine, actually, this sort of fruits and ugly fruits and veggies became my best friends in the kitchen, along with my housemates. We would get our box every week and, you know, find creative ways of making healthy food as well.
Well done, well done. I hope you're on Cook Vegan getting ideas and
exactly. I love cooking, even though since I've been to Cyprus, I don't cook as much because I have a lovely mother who does it for me. But yeah, she's also embraced this concept because of me. I'm vegetarian.
You need to get her on to Cook Vegan and sharing her recipes.
Yeah, she does a lot of vegetarian dishes for me, and even vegan. She loves legumes, so she's all about that concept as well.
Amazing.
So we're doing as much as possible at home. And, you know, with this idea, I want a lot more people to get involved and cook healthy and be a little bit mindful of their own waste at home.
Perfect, perfect. I'm actually sorry, I'm like looking down, not because I'm not interested, but for those of you who saw my my live that I did exclusively on Cook Vegan's Facebook group a couple of weeks ago, which was the first time I got a rescue box. And the first time also, guys, sorry about that. I was trying out my new tripod at home and I didn't realize that lives could not be done horizontally on the phone. They have to be this way. So it came out, everyone had to watch it looking like this, but you got the gist, you got the gist. And I'm trying to find the picture now for those of you who missed it. You say about misshapen vegetables, but oh my goodness, what a beautiful veg I got. Oh, I can't find it now. I will find it and post it again on the group. I got the most beautiful heart-shaped potato. I've never seen anything like it. It was so lovely. It was a perfect heart. So I was like, wow, this is meant to be. So all that love and yeah, it was perfect. So I can't, I'm trying to look for it. I can't find it now. So never mind. We don't need it. Okay, so you got the idea from London. Now, I know that press in Cyprus has already picked up on you and you were in the Cyprus Mail as well, which is great. So for those of you not from Cyprus, that's our national English newspaper. And they had a lovely piece online about Malvina and everything she's doing, so which is amazing.
And it's very personal as well, because the lady who wrote it is a very close friend of mine, Eleni. So she made it very personal, and it was a beautiful piece. It was the best one.
Oh, it was lovely. It was really lovely. We should actually share it on the group. You know, why don't you, after this, find the link and put it on the group? Yeah, on Facebook group. Yeah. So I know some of you are watching this live now on Cook Vegan Facebook group, and it will also be on our YouTube channel. So maybe you're watching it on that as well. So do look it up if you want Cyprus Mail Rescue Box, you'll find it. Malvina, well, please tell us a little bit, everyone who's watching. So obviously I'm already a subscriber. I'm already there as one of your clients. And you have 3 different types of boxes somebody can purchase. And they can purchase as a one-off or as a recurrent weekly order. And what are their options? Where can they find you, first of all? What are their options and what will you provide in these boxes?
So everyone can find the information at rescuebox.com. There is 3 sizes. We offer 3 sizes at the moment: a small, medium, and a large. We want to accommodate to everyone's needs. So even though the boxes are not customizable at the moment because of it also depends on the produce of the week.
Yeah, you have so many.
Exactly, but we want to accommodate to people with allergies, diet restrictions, or just simply preferences. I know a lot of people don't like parsley, so if you don't like parsley, we wouldn't want you wasting it at home. So just let us know and we'll replace some of those items for you. And
it's all seasonal items, isn't it? It's all what's in season and everything produced locally. It's not imported either.
No, but we in the future, so we wouldn't want to exclude any kind of imported fruits and veggies just because they're imported, if they were doomed to go to waste.
Yeah.
But at the time being, we're focusing
Yeah,
on
it's
local.
predominantly, yeah, locally produced things. Yeah.
Exactly.
Great. And so the options are the small, remind me. Now the small is, was it 10 euros?
10 euros 90.
10 euros 90. The medium is 14?
40.
40. And the large is
17.90.
17.90. Right. And for those of you guys who didn't see, you can actually see me unpacking it if you go onto the Facebook group Cook Vegan. And it's quite an impressive box. So you get a large box, that's the bigger box. And there's also the guideline on Malvina's site rescue box, which tells you if you're, you know, up to 2 people, get the small. If you're, but I have to say, in our house we're 7, and you know, we cook a lot, as you guys know, and yeah, I can easily get through. I'm actually going to order a second big box and have 2 boxes coming, and then I'm going to top up on, you know, my weekly shop on top of that. But it probably only lasts me a couple of days, but it's fantastic, and it's a really nice selection. Plus, I almost feel like, so you spent a lot of time in London. Do you remember Ready Steady Cook?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I almost feel like that. You get the box and like, oh, okay, have a little look, and then you're like, oh, I got 5 potatoes, or I could do this with that. Oh, I got a bit of citrus. Let me put this on. So you can really have fun, and then, as I said, you can just top up what your weekly needs are afterwards and not waste. And it's incredibly good value for money. It's cheaper, obviously, than going and buying those goods from a supermarket.
This is exactly like you said, ready, steady, go. I mean, we just need a little bit of creativity in the kitchen, and without knowing what's going to come, it's almost like a surprise box every week. So you can plan out your meals, and just by looking at the box, and you're thinking, oh yeah, I could do this. And every week I try and share like a few recipes from the ingredients of the box, so that people can get inspired. And I urge people to, you know, share with us their recipes. There was
and you do that, sorry, you do that on your website?
On our social media.
On your social media, okay. Oh, everyone, we've got to follow you. So will you on the Facebook group, if people are watching it on the Facebook group, will you put it below? And also on YouTube, when we go on YouTube, can you just put your links in the comments so everyone can find it?
Yeah, and I've seen so many unique recipes. I saw like beetroot pancakes, all sorts of things, which is very exciting because you know, it's just exciting to see what people come up with.
Yeah, it is amazing. How wonderful. What great news. Well, thank you so much for joining us on Cook Vegan. We love this because obviously being vegan, and not everybody who is part of this Cook Vegan journey is vegan, but everybody is interested in cooking vegan food and plant-based food, even if it's just once a week. Obviously there are the vegans amongst us here that are looking at it from a different angle. And of course, everybody cares about sustainability, and we all want to reduce our footprint here. So this is a great way of doing it, and it's a great way of supporting. And if you are watching this from the UK, from America, from Europe, there are the equivalent of Malvina's Rescue Box in so many countries. So maybe you can look it up in your country and support the local effort that's happening there. I really admire this effort. I think it's so great that you've come to Cyprus, and I believe that everyone in Cyprus, they are ready for this.
Yeah,
you know, yeah. When we open our vegan restaurant, oh my goodness, I had so many people say, no one's going to come, it's not going to be successful. You know, Cyprus isn't ready for this. Everybody wants a souvlaki, and you know, touch wood. So
you gotta be brave and do it. I think that's what this journey has taught me. You just have to be brave and go out there and do it. And if you love it, then people will follow you for sure.
Well, we wish you every success. I love it. I'm in there. So you've got a loyal customer here. I've had my 2 boxes delivered already, and it's all good. So thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for watching. And I will post everything online.
Please do. We're waiting for it, and we'd love to have more of your recipes. So do post them on Cook Vegan and let us all see, you know, different things or something that you've cooked at home. And yeah, we'll all try it out.
course. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And for those of you who are watching this when it's on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to Cook Vegan YouTube channel and click your notifications button so you don't miss any more interesting interviews just like this one. Bye.